Now, after a year, the top court is all set to hear over 200 PILs, including a batch of petitions challenging the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019 today. The petitions challenging the constitutional validity of CAA will be heard by a bench comprising Chief Justice of India, Justice UU Lalit, as well as Justice S. Ravindra Bhatt. Harish joining us for more on this. Harish, what are these petitions arguing? Give us the background of this case.
Yes, that's right. After a gap of almost 2.5 years, the Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice UU Lalit will be hearing, in fact, 220 petitions which have challenged the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act. Remember, there was a lot of protest across the country, and even the opposition was up in arms. And we all know that Shaheen Bagh was the epicenter for the protests. So today, in fact, the Supreme Court will be hearing the petition, the CAA petition challenging the CAA, which has in fact promised to give citizenship to persecuted members of minorities in Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh who had crossed over before December 31st, 2014, and that will be applicable to Hindu, Sikhs, Buddhist, Sikhs and Jains and Parsis. As the petitioners have challenged the act, saying that this is discrimination against Muslims, because even Muslims are persecuted in these countries and they are not being given citizenship. And in fact, citizenship should be given on the basis of birth or ascent, and not basis of religion. And therefore, they call it discriminatory, arbitrary, and unconstitutional. And coming to the petitioners, some of the prominent petitioners are Jairam Ramesh for the Congress, and in fact Mahua Moitra, Asaduddin Owaisi, and several top politicians also. And there's also Tehsin Poonawalla. All of them have come up, and also DMK has filed the petition. So there are 220 petitions listed today before the court of Chief Justice UU Lalit, and the hearing will happen around 12:30. Back to you.
All right, Harish, keep an eye on those developments from the Supreme Court. Thanks very much for the moment for joining us with those details. Let's